Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to upgrade OpenAlgo to the newest and latest edition. So just go to your OpenAlgo application. From here you just type cd space OpenAlgo, enter into the OpenAlgo folder. From there you just type a single command. The single command is git pull. So the single command you just type enter, and once you enter the command, it will automatically upgrade the incremental files. Any new updated files or deletion in files, automatically it will be reflecting in your case. So in this case, I had recently upgraded to the Fires plugin. So the updated Fires plugin and some incremental changes, any bugs are there, so the bugs will be fixed and only the incremental files will be updated, not the complete package. So before implementing this, take a backup copy of your OpenAlgo folder. So I hope this helps you to upgrade OpenAlgo to the latest version. In the next video, we'll see more interesting content about OpenAlgo concepts. Thank you.